Okay. Oh, sorry, not good morning. Good evening, one and all. So, today we'll discuss about Java introduction. Okay. So, Java. Before going to Java, before we go into Java, first we will learn about history. Okay. So, if you go to the Java history, first James Gosling. James Gosling. James Gosling and another two. Just a second. After, after some time. Just to be joined on the phone. Data. Okay, okay. Ask again. Okay, guys, sorry. So, Java history. Java history, James Gosling and another, okay, sorry, and another two persons was invented the Java language project. Java language project in 1991. Right? After that, Java was originally designed for developing the software for networking customer electronics devices purpose only. So, this Java originally, just a minute. Okay. See now, originally developed software for the network customer electronic device. Okay. After that, the language was initially called as a Oak. Initial days, this Java called as a Oak. Oak is a tree that actually it's stood outside of the office of Gosling. After that, it went name as a Green. After that, the name, you know what is that that name? Later, it was converted as a Java. It's actually it is a some coffee name. Okay, so simple history here. James Gosling is invented the Java language project in 1991. After that, Java was originally designed for the it is one software and it is developed for the network customer electronic devices purpose. After that, the language was initially called it as a Oak. Okay, Oak nothing but it's a one actually. Actually, it's a one tree name. Okay, see now. In the history, Java, in the history, Java, James Gosling is the one person and another two persons invented the Java language program in the 1991. After that, Java originally designed designed for developing the network customer electronic device. After that, the language was initially called as a Oak. Oak nothing but it's a one some tree. It's stood outside of the Gosling office. After that it is invented as a after it renamed as a Green. Or lateral, it was renamed as a Java. It's a Java is actually one some coffee name. After that abbreviation. Just a minute, guys. Okay. After that, abbreviation. Actually, there is no abbreviation for Java. Why? Because of development team of the Java has just chosen the name. Okay. After that, the name of the Java especially doesn't have meaning. Rather, it refers to Java coffee only. Right. So based on the situation, he's converted OK as a green. After that, he's assigned the name as a Java coffee. Not much history. After that, what is meant by Java? We know Java is a one platform independent and object oriented program, and it is a one technology, right? Java is a platform oriented, platform independent and object oriented language, and it's a one technology. Simply, Java is a one programming language. Okay, why it's a programming language? It provides his own syntax and semantics for the developing the program, right? Suppose I want to create one application. That application might be anything like MS Word, okay? Otherwise mobile apps, anything. That is my goal. For that purpose, I have requirement. That is the requirement, nothing but I have to create one application. That may be anything. App application, other web application. This type of application is the requirement. Who will give the requirements? Nothing but client. Client has some requirement. After that, developers, right? Developers will analyze that one and they will write one document. They will prepare one document. After that document, lot of process will happen. After that, they will do one program. Okay, they will create program. After that, that program, after some time, it will convert it into application. Right? Before that, lot of things will happen. Like a testing will happen on that. After that, it will go to the live server. Simple. This is generally steps. So here, Java is a one object oriented. Okay, we will discuss this one briefly in a period of time. First of all, we will discuss about Java is a one programming language. Why? It contains own syntax. Like suppose own syntax nothing but suppose I want to create one class. So class syntax here, class followed by class name. Suppose I will take class name as a sample. Sample, open braces, close braces. See, this is the class, syntax of the class. Class name. Okay. Class name is a keyword and here class name is the identifier. We can take any name as a class name. Some are the predefined, some are the user defined. Predefined nothing but already it's developed some classes, just we need to use in our application for developing purpose. After that, class name. Suppose already I told that we have two type of classes. One is user defined, one is predefined. So user defined nothing but end user will give the name. Suppose sample. Sample is one identifier of the class. Why? Because of one programmer want to develop one class, for that purpose he created sample. Otherwise he will create anything. Sample, otherwise demo. This is class name followed by class. This is called user defined. Some predefined classes was there, right? That was like scanner, right? And system. These are all the already predefined classes. Just we need to use in our application. Nothing but code, right? This is the one point about syntax. See, this is one syntax only. One more point. It is a one platform independent. See now, it is a one platform independent. Moreover, it's a one programming. Oh, sorry, where is this? It's own syntax like class. Now only I demonstrated that it has its own syntax like class. Class has class have class keyword and followed by identifier and open braces, close braces. This is one thing. And class and Java is a one platform independent. Platform independent nothing but so slowing down. Platform independency. If language program is executed in all different OSs, all different variety of OSs. How many we have variety of OSs like Windows is there, Linux is there, Mac OS is there. These are all nothing but OS. Irrespective, nothing but it won't bother about the OS and which it was the compiled. Where we are compiling is not bother. We will call this program as a platform independent program language using which program is developed by the platform independent language. See now, nothing but simply it is a one Java is a one platform independency. Why it is called platform independency? Suppose you wrote one code. In the system, you took one public static void main method, string and args. In that you wrote simple system.out something sysout statement. Simple sysout statement you wrote. In that you wrote simply write hi and close the line with a semicolon. After that close the main method, close the class. This is actually one class, simple class. Suppose if you write this class, what is your point? Programming is Java is a one platform independence, right? Suppose I wrote one simple code like this. After that I have to compile that one. This class we have to compile. First step. First compile that one. It will generate the dot class file. Okay. This is nothing but dot Java. Nothing but source code. Why? Because of it is a source code. Because of human can readable this one. Right? Class I can readable. System identifier I can readable. Public static void main method I can readable. This is called source code, nothing but .java class. .java class we have to compile. First step we have to compile that one. First we have to compile the .java class. After that it will generate the .class file. In the .class file it contains bytecode. Right? Bytecode nothing but humans cannot read about this one. These are all the two steps. We have to compile the .java class. After that, after compilation, it will generate the .class file. In the .class file, bytecode available. Bytecode nothing but simply I can say zeros, ones, zeros, ones. Simply remember this one. After that, it will execute. Now, how it is a platform independence? Nothing but if you compile any Java class, it will generate the .class file. After that, this .class file I executed in the Windows. Right? Same thing. In this Windows, I have JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Suppose I don't want to write this code. I want to write this code in the some Apple, nothing but Mac. Okay. If you install the JVM, okay, if you install the JVM, then this .class file will execute without irrespective of the platform. So see here, it will also generate zeros and ones bytecode, same thing. After that, It will execute and it will execute the same class with respective OS. The key point is here dot class file. Simple steps. First we have to create one Java class file. After that we have to compile that one. It will generate the dot class file. Dot class file I executed in the Windows platform, Windows OS. Again, if you want to run that one, just install the JVM in your Mac OS and run the dot class file. That's why it is called as a platform independency. So, if a language program is executed in all different various OSs, OSs nothing but Windows or Mac, irrespective of the OS, it might be any OS operating system in which was compiled. We call this program as a platform independent program and language, and platform independent program and language using which is program is developed is called program independent language. See this here I gave the one example. I wrote one program. I executed in the Windows OS. I have the JVM in the Windows. It gave the output. Same dot class file I gave to the I copied and I tried to execute in the Linux OS. With the help of JVM, output came. Again SolarSys, again Mac OS. And here note point is, if any language program is directly executed by OS, then it is called platform dependency. Okay, this is one point. But Java is a platform independency. But here C and C++ are the platform dependencies. This is one point difference between C and Java. If any language program is not directly executed by OS, rather than it gets executed by mediator softwares like JVM, then that program is called as a program independent. Clear? I am again repeating. If any language programming, nothing but Java is not directly executed by OS, nothing but operating system, that might be Windows or Linux, Mac, anything that is not executed directly by OS, rather than one mediator is there. That mediator nothing but Java Virtual Machine. By using this mediator only, if you compile and execute one Java class, then it is called platform independence. Platform independent, right? And Java is one more point, it is one technology. Why? Because it is a technology, it's a ready-made and predefined, right? Predefined nothing but already some classes, right, interfaces and methods all are predefined and APIs available in the libraries. For what is that purpose? Because of fast and easy development purpose. That's why we will call it as a technology, right? Java is also called as a technology. Why? Because of it has the predefined APIs. Okay, predefined already. Some developers developed some classes, interfaces and methods. We need to simply use in our application for easy and fast development purpose. And what is the purpose? Main purpose of the Java is here. Java was invented to achieve the platform independence for the developing the internet based. Here, internet based business application. For that purpose only it's created mainly. Using Java we can develop both standalone and internet applications. This is the main purpose of the Java behind the screen. Clear? And these are all the note points. C and C++ along they are not the platform, they are the platform dependencies and not the technologies. Why? Because of C and C++ provide the only syntaxes and semantics for the developing the programs. Clear? And one more point, they don't provide an execution environment or large set of ready-made libraries. Okay, C and C++ has no libraries like a Java, and so they cannot be considered as a platform or technologies. Which of those? C and C++ are not technologies. This is the, we have to note that one regarding C and C++. One more point, okay, this is also completed. And what is the need? What is the need of programming language? So what is the programming language here? So Java is one, simply it's a programming language. Why? What is the need to use the programming language? Every programming language is meant for developing a program to implement an operation to be performed by computer. Okay. Second point, basically programming language are created for the automating business operation to be performed by the computer. See here, automatic business operations. Like if you open any calculator, it's a one standalone application. It is a automatic working, right? It's a automatic. You have to give the input, it will calculate and it will give the simply results. And these are all we can use that 24/7, 365 days we can run that our business. It might be anything. It might be web applications, right? So here in the need we can the purpose. The purpose we can see it's a internet application. In the internet application we can use that internet application 24/7, and in 365 days we can use that one. Very clear? 24/7 and 365 days we can run that business. That is the one need of the Java programming. Alright. One more thing, we can have good relationship with the customers. If you create one programming language, okay, generally who will use this programming language? Nothing but like the application used by customers only, right? How? Because of simply you can take ATM, automatic teller machine. Automatic teller machine. In the automatic teller machine, customer will come. He will come and he will give the some inputs and he will get some amount of money or some result and he will leave. That is the point here. If you have the programming language, right logic behind the programming language, we can have good relationship with the customers. This is one point. And secured and accurate, efficient and fast translation. This is one this is one need. These are all the needs of programming language, right? These are three of the needs for the programming language. So simply it is a one programming language, and it's a object oriented also. Why it is object oriented? Because of in Java all things considered as a object. Clear? It's a one platform independent. Why? Because of it's irrespective of the OS. If you have the JVM, then we can execute the .class file. If it is not mandatory whether it is a Windows or Mac or Linux, it will execute. And programming language. Why it is a programming language? Because of it has their own syntax and simulations. And object oriented. Why? Because of Java is a object oriented, because of it consider as all things as a object. See now in the classroom also we have lot of objects like table, laptop, bag, chair, marker, okay, board like a fan, some lights. These are all nothing but objects only. Java will consider all things as a objects, then it will implement the process. That is one point. I would say it's a need of the programming language. These are all the needs for the programming language. After that, fundamentals. So every programming language will provide the same fundamental concepts to perform activities, to improve the logic for operation by developing a program. Every language will provide basically three concepts to perform. What is that? What is the data types. Data types. Data types. And this is also integer, okay, boolean, short, and so on. These are all data types. What is meant by data types? At that time of period of time, I will explain what is meant by data type. Data types. After that, operators. Operators, nothing but we have a lot of classification of operators like binary, unary, logical operators, all these operators. After that, control flow statements. Control flow statements, nothing but if else, ladder if, switch cases. These are all the control flow statements. After that, exception handling statement, nothing but if you created one program, it has been generated, but at the time of execution, I have faced with one exception. How to handle that one? For that purpose, we have the exception handling topic. In that exception handling topic, we have to surround that exception with the try catch block and throw and throws and so on. These are all the 4 fundamentals every programming language will provide. Okay, data types, operators, control flow the statements, and exception handling statements. These are all the language fundamentals. Nothing but programming language fundamentals of Java. These 4 are the programming language fundamentals. And we will go to the next slide. Java has concept for developing. One is for desktop applications and web applications and mobile applications. Nothing but desktop applications might be see now. These are all the down. See now, taskbar. We have the taskbar Edge, Outlook, Teams, WhatsApp, WhatsApp, and the files. These are all for developing some more. Developing the desktop application and web applications. Like web application might be like search, example like search careers, right? This is the one web application. And mobile application, nothing but apps and electronics and device based applications. Therefore, Java is called as it is a one technology. And Java has 4 platforms. Okay, one is Java SE, nothing but standard alone applications. Java EE, nothing but internet and enterprise application for developing the web application purpose. For web application purpose, we have the Java EE and Java ME, nothing but mobile application development. After that, Java FX for RIA, rich internet application. These are all the platforms involved in the Java. After that, this is the definitions like Java SE, stand-alone application. In standalone application, it provides concepts for the developing the desktop standalone like CUI and GUI, graphic user interface applications, and applicant database interaction application, and so on. After that, Java EE stands for the performing the enterprise applications. Nothing but it provides a concept for the developing web and enterprise applications and interoperable applications. Like suppose I want to simply I can say web application, nothing but e-commerce. We have the e-commerce like Flipkart, Amazon, right? These are all comes under e-commerce website. After that, Java ME and Java FX. These are all just namesake. I wrote the definitions. We not use in the real time also. They don't use much ME and FE. Why? Because of they are mostly focusing on the SE and EE. So these are all the platforms. These are all the platforms of Java. Mostly in core Java, we are using SE only. Whenever I'm teaching servlets, then we have to work on this Java W. And one more point regarding SE. Nowadays, Java SE became the root technology all on the concepts of developing any new technology based software. Suppose see now in the Java based on the Java SE, nothing but standard level applications. Selenium build on the top of Java SE and Scalar, Spark, Data Science, Oracle. These are all the technologies based on the Java SE only. That's why nowadays Java standalone application became the root technology on concept for the developing any new technologies. Any new technology, nothing but these are all the technologies only. Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, Cloud, Java W, Android. See now, Java W also based on the Java SE only. And Android, .NET, PHP, Python. These are all the based on the standard alone application only. And second point, if you are strong, okay, this is the general point I wrote. If you are good at the standard alone concept, then we can easily shift for the one technology based on the projects to another technology. Okay. And one more point, this is the just I wrote one line for the, it's actually tree structure, but I wrote like this: Java SE based on the Java on the top of the Java SE by used these technology dependent. This is one thing. After you go to the next slide. So see here, to develop and compile and execute a Java program, we need three softwares. We have to be installed in our laptop. I mean nothing but local system. One is editor. It might be Edit++ or Notepad++. It is one software required. See now, this is one editor, and one more editor is this one, Notepad. Okay, let me look for just a minute. Okay. One is editor for developing compile and execute that one. One is the editor and JDK. JDK I will discuss in few minutes. After that, command prompt. Command prompt nothing but this one. Just give the CMD in the search and it will open the command prompt. Okay, it's loading slowly. Bad network, that's why it's loading slowly. Okay. This is nothing but command prompt. So we have the editor, nothing but Notepad++ or Notepad. Otherwise JDK, Java Development Kit software. After that, command prompt. These three softwares required for develop, compile and execute Java program. These three are the required. So JDK user for getting the, so why because of Notepad? Because of I have to write one code. Suppose I want to write one code. Class demo. So this one I want to write the code. For that purpose I have the Notepad++. And why? Because of JDK? JDK used to getting compile. Suppose if you created one application, right? If you create one Java, any application, Java application you created, and we have the JVM and JRE. So who will give the capability to create one application? Nothing but JVM, Java Virtual Machine, will give the capability. After that we have to so far we created only application only. After create the application, we have to execute that one. Suppose this is one dot Java class, dot Java. In this dot Java, I wrote some business logic. Some logic I wrote. To write this logic, environment provided by JVM. After that, application has been developed. After that, we have to compile that. After that, we have to execute that one. For that purpose, we need one runtime environment. Runtime environment. Who will provide the capability for the Java? Nothing but JRE. JRE that stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE will provide the capability to execute this program. Okay. First point, I have to create application. Who will give the capability? JVM. After write the code, I have to compile that one. After compiling, I have to execute that one. For executing purpose, JRE. For creating the application purpose, JVM. Simple. So these two are the softwares, JVM and JRE. JVM and JRE. These two are the softwares. We will discuss about this one little bit briefly. So these are some ideas I will explain next class. So we'll explain about JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. In the Java Development Kit, we have JRE, Java Runtime Environment for execution purpose. In the development kit, we have the compiler and bytecode and jar execute. These are all comes under Java Development Tools in the JDK. After that, one more thing is JVM and interpreter plus JIT. So see now, if you download the JDK, right? JDK nothing but we know already it stands for Java Development Kit. JIT, see now, JIT nothing but just-in-time compiler. It's a part of the Java Virtual Machine. And where Java Virtual Machine is present? JRE. And JRE present in the JDK. Right? Then which one we have to download? Simply JDK. If you download the JDK, okay. If you simply download the JDK, then JRE will available. If you download the JRE, JVM will available. If you download the JVM, JIT will available. Clear? Why? Because of simply if you download the Java Development Kit like a sports, like might be the sports kit, all like all things available. Same as that, if you download the JDK kit, JVM and JIT, right, and JRE, all tools are available. Clear? So already previous days I told that download this JVM. Simple and straightforward. Just to go to the Oracle website and download that JVM. So if you download that one, it will go to the downloads. After that, go to the C drive. In the program files, 64-bit. Just a minute. In the C drive, program files, it will generate Java folder. In the Java contains JDK 11, Java Development Kit 11. If you expand this one, we have folders, bin, conf, and these are all the folders available. Go to the bin. In the bin only, these are all the some softwares, right? Just search for Control F, Java C. See now Java compiler. Java C stands for Java compiler. Just hit this one. So whatever the tools, these are all the tools available in the, see now, development tools. These are all the tools available in the bin folder, nothing but JDK and JRE and JVM and JIT. These are all softwares available in the JDK and some softwares. Javas. These are all the this is one of the software. Okay, these are all the softwares available in the JDK. Okay, just let me go to C drive, go to the program files, go to the Java folder, the Java folder JDK 11, bin. These are all the tools, nothing but softwares. For what? For developing our application fast, for that purpose. After that we have to set the environment variables. Just give the A and B. Okay, it's loading slowly. Sorry. So we have to set the path for the JDK. So okay. Okay, it's just slowly loading. Edit the system environment variables. Okay, see now, edit environment variables, hit the button environment variables, it will redirect to the it will redirect to this dialog box. In the dialog box, in the system variables, here already I gave the Java home. If you want to give that, just hit the new, then two fields available. In this dialog box, two fields available. Here we have to give the capitals Java underscore home. Here variable value we have to give here before the bin path. This is the bin. Just take the cursor over here and copy this path. Go to the environment variables. Here we have to give the path before the bin. Okay. New system variables. Variable name is Java home. H should be capital. So env setup, nothing but environmental variable setup. Okay. Okay. So Java home. After that, path should be this one. C program files Java. Okay, whenever you download any software, it will defaultly go to the downloads. After that, check in the C 64-bit, C folder, program files nothing but 64-bit. Okay, in the C program, in the C folder, the C drive, see here program files and program files x86, nothing but 34-bit. It is the 64-bit. Defaultly all systems will come by 64-bit. Then you have to go to the system, program files. Just to go to the program files, search for the Java. Oracle only itself, it will create the Java. Go to here, JDK 11 available. This path, I'm saying this path you have to give here variable value. How we have to give here? Just hit the new. Here we have to give the Java home and this path. After that, this is what new system variables. For new system variable, this one. For new system variables, this is the path. This is the process. And one more thing. After this set, go to the path, search for the path. See now here under OS path is there. Just click it. So it will create one Oracle only, it will take the access and it will give the one path. Just to remove that one. After that, here we have to give the, where is this? Here, this one. See program files Java JDK bin, where edit environment variables. In the edit environment variables, hit the path. After that, we have to give the bin path. This is the second point. Path, where edit environment variables. Okay, first step, go to the environment variables. Go to the environment variables, search for the new system variables. Search for the new system variables, give the name as a Java home. Wherever the JDK available, copy that path before the bin and paste it. After that, this is nothing but second step is path set. Second step is path. In the path, in the environment variables, we have to give this path only after the bin also. Second time we have to give the path, not in the environment variable system. Clear? Hit the environment variables, new, set this one. Second step is hit the path, hit the new, it will open like this. Give this path, bin path. So already I have this one. See, already I have this one, so I not required this one. So let me delete this one. Just hit OK. After that, how to identify it is properly downloaded? Just to go to the Java, give the version command, it will come to the JDK 11. Java version JDK 11, 2023 1/17, it's something date. After that, Java trademark SC standard evaluation runtime environment 18.9. This data it will render on the console. Now, after identify that one, I want to write one simple code. Okay, let me write one simple code. For that purpose, let me open the notepad. Right? What is the thing here? I want to develop one simple coding, one simple code. For that purpose, what are the required? One is editor. I took one editor, nothing but notepad. In this, I will write one simple class. Simple Java code I am writing. Class name is demo. After that, here I will write one main method. Public static, return type is void. Main method, open braces, string base args, and method should have the body, open and close the class. I wrote one error. I will show how it will come. Suppose let me write hello world. This is the thing I want to print on the console, nothing but command prompt. So see now, class keyword, demo is my identifier, nothing but class name, public static void main method. Okay, see now, class identifier, open the braces and close the braces for the class. This is main method, public static void main method string args. This Square bases not a mandatory. In the between you can write beside the arcs also. After that, this is one main method. After that, open the main method, close the main method. I wrote one simple statement, system.out.println hello world. Okay, now let me save this one on the desktop. See here on the desktop, I will remove this one. I will give my class name. What is my class name here? Demo dot extension Java, and demo is my class name. See now, demo is my class name dot Java extension, and give the double quotes. You have to save double quotes and save this one. See now, demo is my class name. It's on my see now, demo is my class name. It's on the desktop. Just go to here. See now, it's a I can readable. It is nothing but .java file. Okay. Let me go to the desktop. See now demo. What is here demo? Java file. I created today 8/9/2025 5 o'clock 5:51. At the time of 5:1 I created this one on the notepad. Now observe this one. Now second point, I am here at the desktop. Take the cursor here and take the cursor here. It's loading something. Okay, take the cursor here, remove this desktop, give here command. We are in the C users del desktop. Now what I did, I just wrote one simple code. Class, main method, printout statement, hello world. I want to compile this one. Why? Because of I want to test the JDK working properly or not. For that purpose, I wrote the simple code. For that purpose, I want to compile that one. For that compile, I have one command, Java C followed by class name. What is my class name here? Okay. Let me take here my class name, demo. Java C class name dot Java. See now, in the 8th line, already one error is there. What is the error? This is first line, this is second line, third line, fourth line. See now, here we have this is the mistake. This is one statement, we have to end with the semicolon. That is the error. See now, demo.java, it's a Java class. In the 8th line error, it is the expected, you are not appended this semicolon. System.println hello world behind. This is the, see here in the cap. Cap is showing that in this place that semicolon missed. After that I added again, just to save this one, again rerun that one. It's compiled and executed successfully. Now, just compiled. Then now let me go to the desktop. Okay, this is not desktop, this desktop. See now, let me, okay, now we will see what it will happen. .java. Now also we can readable. Just to compile. Now let me execute. For execute purpose, one more command, Java followed by class name. Right? For compiling, Java C class name dot Java. Then it will execute it like this. After that, Java command, in the command nothing but Java demo class name. Just hit enter, hello world. Clear? Now let me check the let me check this one. Okay. So JDK is working properly, right? If I remove this one, hello world, let me remove this hello world. Let me give name as something search. Okay, search and save this one in the demo. Same, go to the command prompt. This is my output. Just hit the up arrow. Java C demo.java. For what? This is for compiling. Just copy this one. For compile, this is the command. Java C class name followed by .java. Then see now, Java C class name .java. Then it will come like this. After execute, it will come like this. If any error, it will show the error. Then we have to execute that one. For execute, what is the command? Just Java class name. This is for execution. Copy. For execution the code, right? For execution the code, Java class name. For compiling, Java C class name. Class name might be anything. I take as a demo. If it is might be anything, it might be demo or sample or my first program. Anything you can take. Okay. So Java C class name and .java as it is. Right? This is for compile command. For compilation, this is the command Java C demo dot Java. Actually, there is no gap. Java C. This is the command. For execution, Java followed by class name. Then we'll see what it will come. Search, right? Updated here search. That's why it's printed. Otherwise, if I give anything, suppose in the string I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will give the number. I want to execute this one. Same. I want to compile that one. Java C class name .java. It's executed. After that, I have to give the command for the execution. Java demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? This is simple hello world program by using one editor. That only for developing and compile execution Java program, we need three things. One is editor. In the editor, I wrote the just a hello world program. JDK. JDK is the importance. I can explain in the course of period. In the course of period, I will explain what is the importance of JDK. After that, command prompt. Nothing but console. Clear? This is how we have to develop the things. Nothing but code. And this is the path setting things. Okay. Okay. These are all we can discuss. What is source code, byte code? Okay. Importance. Okay. We will discuss this one all tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you.